Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDCHF, US dollar Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of USDCHF in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got many lines here drawn on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of USDCHF. Then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the overall trend of USDCHF, then we can easily see that this is not a very simple chart. This chart look messed up, and if we just observe the chart carefully, then we can see that this chart looks like a sideways market. And if we just focus on the present trend of the chart here, then yes, the chart may be forming higher lows here, but the chart is not a good chart. The overall, the chart looks very much confusing, very much messed up. There are better options on the forex market right now, but this chart, okay, right now the present trend seems to be an uptrend, but yes, it still looks sideways. Okay, so we do not have any proper clarification about the trend of the market because the chart looks messed up. So now the duty comes, what is going on in the chart? Okay, so we must find out, and for that, if we go to the weekly chart once, okay, if we go to the weekly chart of USD then we can see that there is a struggle going on. Okay, there is a struggle going on around this level. You can see that previously market was facing resistance at this level of 1.9180. This was the resistance for the market, and right now market is trading above it. So market is trying to take support at the level. So there is a transition going on. Okay, previously this level 0.9180 was the resistance for the market, and it was the resistance for the market for quite some time, for many weeks, and the same level is trying to act as a support right now. So there is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers regarding the level. And if we again move to the 4 hours chart of USDCHF, then we can see that whenever market was going up, it was facing resistance at this level. So we have a strong resistance on the market. Okay, and I would like to request you to draw this level so that you can understand the market better, so that you can also do proper analysis and take the proper trade. So the resistance zone is 0.9240 to 0.9280. This is the resistance zone for the USD right now, because whenever market is going up, it is facing selling pressure at this level. So in simple words, sellers are present in this level. Clear? Okay. And the black line, okay, the black line is the level from the weekly chart. So this black line is the new support for the market, or trying to act as the new support for the market. Clear? So this is the resistance and this is the new support. Okay, so this is the new support for the market, but still we do not have the confirmation, the stamp of the support till yet. So apart from this trend line, you can see that I have also drawn, also apart from this black line, I have also drawn a trend line. And if you observe the trend line carefully, then you can see that whenever market is coming down, this trend line is providing support to the market. So this trend line is a valid support. Unlike the role of this black line, we have a proper support. Therefore, on the chart of USD we have a resistance level, we have a support in the form of a trend line, and we have a doubtful doubtful support from the weekly chart. Clear? So these are the three important levels on the chart of USDCHF right now that we must understand. So as you can see that right now market is going up. So let the market go up, let the market go up, and don't do anything right now. So your first trading opportunity, okay, your first trading opportunity will be at this level. So when market will hit the resistance, then your duty as a trader is to observe the price and see how the price is reacting. If you see that just like the previous times, market is unable to cross the resistance, market is struggling near the resistance, then you will get the confirmation that yes, the resistance level of 0.9240 to 0.9280 is still a valid one, and you can short the market. That is your first trading opportunity on the chart of USD CHF. Okay, so that is the first trading opportunity. And the second trading opportunity on the chart of USD CHF is this level. So in case market comes down, okay, in case market comes down, then just observe the market at this level. So this level is the new support, as well as if market comes down, then it will be getting support from the trend line as well. So we have a double support. So in case market comes down, then there is a good possibility that market will be getting support or market bouncing from this level. So if you find market bouncing from the support, then you can easily click on the buy button, because you know it very well that market has got double support. So buy at the support, sell at the resistance. This is the only strategy for USD CHF right now, because USD CHF is in sideways market, so you can take trades at both the side. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a pro trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis, where I share the best trading opportunities on the market with you. If you are interested, please go to the pro trader section on my website. You will find every information. So this is the strategy for USD CHF that you need to follow. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.